Hey guys, welcome back. Then the new feature that ChatGPT has rolled out. This is currently being rolled out to most active users. Some of them might not see it yet, but will be rolled out to everyone in the coming days. I wanted to cover it. It is called Shared Links. So the idea of Shared Links is whenever you generate your interaction with plugins or ChatGPT, which you find it interesting, you want to share it with your friends or your co-workers. If you have ChatGPT at work, currently people are sharing it via screenshots, and ChatGPT wanted to make people share their conversations via a link, and that's what Shared Link is all about. So Shared Link is a new feature which lets users to generate unique URL for the ChatGPT conversations, which can be shared with friends, co-workers, or other collaborators. It's a new way to share their ChatGPT conversation, replacing the old and the burdensome way of screenshots. With Shared Links, user can let others see and continue interesting, funny, or insightful exchanges with ChatGPT. So where can you find it? So let me show you a quick demo how you can go into here. So I now have the Zillow. So let me ask it a few prompts here. Let me copy a prompt from Zillow. So I would like to ask this one, find me homes in San Francisco which match this criteria. So let's assume you want to share it with your parents, your spouse, or your friends to consult. Is this a good property to go ahead and place a bid? If you want to do it, previously you had to take screenshots or click on each of the links and share it with them. But currently you don't have to. So this chat, once it's done, the middle button here, if you click on it, it would, I'm waiting for this to complete. Just give me a minute. And yeah. Okay, so the 5 chat we were looking for is complete. The 5 units it's looking for, it has listed it and provided the links, what we wanted. So I will click on the middle one here, and this would enable the share to link. You can copy the link, but if you want to share it to someone that you actually created it, you can say share my name. Here it shared my name and I can copy the link. So I've copied the link, and let's assume that I open a new incognito window and paste it. I am not logged into ChatGPT here. I can ask it, or I can continue with the conversation here. For that, you have to log into ChatGPT. So that's the advantage of this one. You no longer have to share your screenshots and other stuff. So that's the idea behind this. And these are the use cases which I wanted to talk about. So this is particularly useful when you want to share a specific piece of information or a discussion with someone not part of the original conversation. This could be a notable example of a notebook which we have already looked at, or a specific discussion that needs to be a response like Zillow, or an important message that needs to be highlighted. Let's assume you are co-authoring a book with your co-author. You can use that. And similarly, sharing content with external collaborator. We have looked at AI PRM and the other tools we can use to generate short scripts in ChatGPT. If you generate any of those scripts and you want to share it probably with your production team, you can do so. Similarly, creating a reference point. So if at work you found something interesting you want to work on in the future and mark it for a future sprint, you can just reference your prompt and save it as a reference and revisit back whenever you want it. So these are some use cases, and I wanted to look at some FAQs. So anyone who has access to the link can view and continue the linked conversations. ChatGPT encourages not to share sensitive information or with the link, the conversation, or any of the private data which might hurt you or your organization. And what information about you is included. By default, it would be anonymous. If you want, you can share your name if you want the other person to know you had shared it, if they deal with multiple links. Only then you can do that. And if you want to continue, I think this was an older one. Right now, yes, you can continue the conversation. If you delete the original conversation, is the link still valid? The answer is no. If you clean up your chat history, then the link you shared is also gone by default. So just be mindful of it. When you have shared a link, just double check with them they are done using it. So that's all I wanted to cover. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you for joining.